Hello, my name's Teacher Damon and I'm from Malaysia. What is your name and where are you from? Wow, that's a beautiful name and a beautiful country to be from. Well, now look at this picture and let's talk about it together. It's a sunny day at the park and there's plenty of children playing. Now, can you see the boy who is flying the kite? What color is his shirt? Great, it's red. His shirt is red. Now, take a look down here. What is this? What color is this bag? It's red. What color is your bag at home? I see. Okay, moving on. How many people are playing tennis right now? And what color is the ball? Good. There's two people playing tennis and the color of the ball is yellow. Now, the boy beside the bicycle, what is he pointing at? Great. He's pointing at the tree. And we have the boy in the green t-shirt. What is he doing? Good. Now last but not least, the girl with the brown hair in the yellow shirt, wearing the yellow shirt, what is she holding? Good. All right. Now, some questions about yourself. What games do you like to play outside? Wow, that's a really interesting game. Do you like playing tennis? Ah, I see. That's nice to know. Now, what do you like to do when you go to the park? Wow, I see. That's interesting. Now, I would like to ask, what is your favorite sport? Wow, that's my favorite sport too. That's all for today. I hope to see you all in the next video. Goodbye.